What to do when you sneeze mid-sentence. So, you're passionately telling your friend the craziest story ever, how you fought off a raccoon with a plastic spoon, and then suddenly your body goes full self-destruct mode. Your nose activates, your face contorts, and mid-sentence you explode like a confetti cannon. So then I was ACHOO! Congratulations, you just hit the verbal reset button. Here's how to handle the chaos like a sneeze ninja. Accept your fate. The sneeze owns you. Don't fight it. Trying to hold it in only makes you look like you're trying to reboot your entire operating system. Resume like nothing happened. Just continue your sentence like the sneeze was part of your punctuation. Example, so then I would achoo. Anyway, the raccoon ran off. Smooth, classy, Nobel-worthy. Own the sneeze. Say, excuse me, but make it dramatic. Bonus points if you dab mid-sneeze or make it sound like a car horn. Pretend it was intentional. When people stare, just go, that sneeze? Scripted, part of my storytelling arc. Rewind your audience. They probably forgot where you were in the story. Reset their brands with, okay, before my respiratory system interrupted me, and continue with authority. If it happens multiple times, just start charging people for the sequel. Sneeze Part 2, the return of the ACHOO. Remember, sneezing mid-sentence isn't a failure. It's your body's way of adding drama and sound effects to your story. So the next time it happens, hold your tissue high, look your audience in the eye, and say proudly, ladies and gentlemen, that was my plot twist.